Why back up your cycle data?
Backing up your period and symptom history protects important health information. Having a copy gives you peace of mind if you switch apps, lose your device, or want to share your data with a healthcare provider. It also helps you maintain control over your records, especially if you use the data to track patterns or manage your well-being.
Getting ready to export data.
Start by checking the app's export options. Most leading period tracking apps have a section in Settings for data management or backup. Make sure you know your account details and update the app if needed. This ensures smooth access to the latest export and backup features.
Exporting from popular apps.
Apps like Clue, Flow, and Apple Health offer direct export options. Look for export data, download data, or similar in your app's account or privacy settings. You may be able to choose a file format like CSV or PDF. The process usually involves confirming your request and receiving your data by email or as a direct download.
Securing your data backup.
Keep your exported file in a safe, private location. Save it to a password-protected folder or encrypted cloud storage. Avoid sharing your backup over unsecured channels. Consider making a second copy on another device or a USB drive, especially if your data includes sensitive or personal details.
Restoring or transferring data.
If you need to set up a new device or switch apps, check import options. Some period apps let you upload your previously exported data directly. Follow their instructions for importing and verify that your history appears correctly. Always ensure you're using official versions of the app to protect your privacy.
Tips for ongoing security.
Regularly update your backup as you add more cycle data. Review your privacy settings within the app and adjust them based on your sharing needs. Stay aware of updates from your app provider about export features or privacy policies. This keeps your health information safe and always within your control.